At this step of the process, I'm going to use a decision tool in order to continue the process. So I drag and drop the decision tool, and from the action, I will go to decision step, and the button name will be submit. And let's change the background color. Okay, and the decision. So type of annual leave is daily leave. Let's write the formula for that. So type of leave equals daily leave. This is how I use the decision tool. Then it will go to another task form from this step. So if the type of leave is daily leave, then another task form will be assigned to the user in order to fulfill his or her annual leave request.